Hey food tubers, welcome to Biggs' Home Cooking. I'm Biggs. Today we're going to be cooking up some Chinese barbecue. I'm going to do some Chinese barbecue spare ribs. And I'll be doing that out on my pit barrel. Haven't used that one in a while, so time to break her out again. We have a beautiful day here. Alright, so let's get this underway. Just going to light my coals. Alright, and we'll let that go. And while that's going, I'm going to go inside and finish prepping up my spare ribs. Alright, we'll meet you inside. Okay, so while the coals are heating up outside, let me show you what I got here. I got 2 racks of St. Louis cut spare ribs, and I'm using this here no Chinese barbecue char siu. Alright, now you take this packet here and you mix it with a half a cup of water, and what I did was I did a packet for each one of these. I cut a little corner off here, and I used a funnel and I poured the marinade into the bag, and then I sealed it back up. So those have been marinating for 2 days. I like to go 3 sometimes. I'm going to drain the liquid out of there and put them on a sheet pan, and I'm going to rub them down with another packet and then hook them up and hang them on the pit barrel. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the ribs out of the bag now. Look at the color on those things. And I'm just going to hook it with one of the pit barrel hooks. You go down about 2 bones, alright, and just stick her in there and boom, done. Same thing on this one, boom, done. And to that, I'm just going to sprinkle some more of this on the outside as a rub, alright. Okay, so there you have it. My coals should just about be done outside. I'm actually going to dump them and let them burn for another 5 minutes and then hang it. Alright, we'll meet you out there. Okay, these coals are ready. They've been going for a good 10 minutes. I'm just going to dump them on my basket full of coals here. Move those around a little bit. And then in she goes. Okay guys, just gonna let that burn for another 5 minutes to let the smoke die down, then I'll hang the ribs. Be back. Okay, we're back out here, getting ready to put these on. I think we're running at about around 275 right now. I got the intake open all the way. Let's drop these on. Okay, rack number 1. Nice, nice. Rack number 2. Nice, nice. Alright, so there they go. We'll check these back in probably 2.5 to 3 hours. Alright folks, we'll see you then. Talk about your rib candy. These are going to be good. Okay everyone, thanks for tuning back in. It's been 2 hours and these ribs are pretty much done. So I'm going to take them off and sauce them. So let's do that right now. Ooh, I love that plume of smoke. Just let that die down a second and I'll pull some ribs. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, baby. Look at those dogs. Those are some good looking ribs. Sweet. Okay, there's the other rack. And we got some good pullback on the bones there already. Now these things are done. I'm just going to sauce them up and then bring them back out here and put them back on for about 15 minutes. Alright, meet you inside. Okay, we're inside and we're just going to sauce these up a bit and then put them back out on the pit barrel. And for that I'm going to use some Lee Kum Kee spare rib sauce. Just going to brush it up on the just on the one side. And we'll just give that a little spread around. Now like I said, talk about your rib candy. These things are all sugared up, man. Beautiful. Alright, I'll meet you out at the pit. See you in a bit. Okay, pit's running at 275 right now. Let's get these ribs back on. Look at those things. Those things are awesome looking. I can't wait to dig into these. Okay, I'm just going to put these back on for about, 15 minutes. So we'll catch you back out here, bring them inside, and we'll start eating. Okay, these ribs are done. Let's start pulling them. Now these been on here for about 2.5 hours. First hour they were cranking at about 350 because I had the bottom intake open all the way, and then after the first hour I shut them down, and then it's been running at about 275, 300. So there you go, some Chinese barbecue char shell ribs. All right guys, meet you inside. Okay, so here we go. See what we got. Give these a little flip. Cut it from the back side so you can see the bones. Oh, baby. These are just sick looking ribs. These are going to be good. You guys see that? Oh man, that is barbecue goodness right there. All right, let me cut these up and we'll meet you at the table, folks. Okay, so here we are, folks, at the dinner table. And there's my plate of Chinese barbecue spare ribs. A little white rice and some broccoli. So, appreciate everyone stopping by. You know, it means a lot to me that people watch my videos. You know, enough of that talk. Let's get into these ribs here, huh? Oh, those are good. Here we go. The big bite from the big man. Now I mentioned rib candy, and that's exactly what these things are. Oh man, these things are out of this world. That's why I cooked up 2 racks, because these are so damn good. Well, I just want to say thanks for everybody tuning in and stopping by my channel. All right, and remember, keep on looking at Biggs' Home Cooking. All right, folks, take care, and we'll see you on the next round.